nerds, this is Diane. Welcome back to the vlog channel. In this video, I will be showing you random videos. Just videos just out there that I've filmed throughout the months of 2021. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. This clip, me and my husband were cutting the bush in the front of the house. It's been raining a lot, and it grew very quick, so we had to cut it. And sorry about the audio, it kept going in and out, so that is why I'm recording over it. Yeah, so that's what it's going to be like throughout the rest of the video. It's going to be going in and out, so I'm just doing voiceover, and I hope you enjoy watching the video. Thank you. Other clip of the video, I am filming all the way to the back to see how well the gardeners had cut, so see if we didn't need any more cutting. But so far so good. It looks pretty good. And because it rains a lot here in Houston, Texas, I filmed where because it was cloudy earlier that day when we were cutting, but it was a good thing that it didn't rain. But that evening it did rain. It came down very hard, and but that's how it is here in Texas, so we're probably gonna have to cut the bush all over again next week. So anyways, yeah. I just relaxed that evening and I crocheted a little bit. I do a lot of crocheting. I crochet blankets, scarves, caps, you name it, I can do it. Except for knitting. I don't know how to do that. But crochet, I can. Video, I am showing random clips from a few days ago after we had cut the bush and after it had rained that evening. So during the week, the following week, it continued to rain, and yes, the gardener had to cut the grass again and the bush, this time a professional did. About around that time, I received a package. I finally received a package. This was back in April, I think, or May. I'm not really sure. It was before my birthday. It was in May, because my birthday is in May. And I had ordered this like around March or the beginning of April, and it finally got to my address. And it came, the box, it was just one piece. It was just one piece of jewelry. It was a necklace, a lock necklace, a silver, and it came in a box, but the box was crushed, but no big deal. It was just a necklace. So anyways, I opened it and the necklace was just fine, and I love it, and I still wear it to this day, non-stop. I even take a shower in it because it's sterling silver, and I love it. a few more days ago, after I received my necklace, my nephew Trey and my sidekick had to watch him because his mom had to work that day. So I took care of him for a little bit, and that's what we're doing together. That's what he's doing right now. In this video, he's reading for school. He was doing online schooling at the time, and he was having his he was on a lunch break. And so after he had eaten his lunch, he quickly did some reading before going back to online school. After that, or a few more days after that, my birthday was coming up, but it wasn't quite there yet. But anyways, my husband was having trouble with his iPhone, so as Apple goes, we got him a new phone, iPhone Pro. He has it right now and he loves it. But anyways, we got that before my birthday, and we got some other stuff from Five Below to protect his we got a case for his phone to protect it, and we picked up some other stuff, like just a few little random stuff for my birthday, and that was about it. And then we went home after that, and then a few days later, my sister gave me my birthday gift when she was taking me home after babysitting my nephew, and she was dropping me off at my home, and but I opened my gift in the car, and when I got home, I actually saw my package, and then I also saw my nephew's cute little card, birthday card for me, and so I love it, and I'm adding it to this video. So I hope you, and like I said, I hope you enjoy my videos, my random videos, because that's all they are. And then, of course, I have some random pictures posted, stuff that he did, and how he added my name to the family, my baby. I mean, I know I'm family, but no, usually kids will do only inner family, like him, his mom and dad, but he added me in it. I thought that was precious, my cute little angel. And so that's it. And again, I'm sorry about the audio. Hopefully next time I will do better, but for now, that's how I did it, and I apologize again, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Bye.
Please share on your social media.